by the end of this week or the end of next week, I would expect to see 29.10ish in the SPX here. On the Dow, we broke a little bit higher once again. This is just kind of creeping sideways, creeping ever higher in a more sideways type of movement. Price pattern targets here in the 26.5 area. I have 26.489, which is it's going to go for the 26.5 more than likely, is what I have a target there. I don't think we'll see that this week. As a matter of fact, I think we may fall a little bit shy of that target, primarily because I think the SPX and the Russell are going to top out first and probably depress that a little bit. But again, wouldn't be surprised to that level either. NDX continues to hold this fairly aggressive trend line here. We're bouncing off of that. Looks like we're probably going to set new highs this week. And again, probably more of the same, a little bit higher, retesting the trend line, a little bit higher, retesting the trend line. Foreseeable going forward unless we get some sort of a bad news that shocks the place here. But so far, it only seems that any bad news that comes out is just very temporary, very mild pullbacks, and then we just continue higher and expecting more of the same unless we see something technical break here to the downside. Of course, if we get some really good news, then we may see a nice, really hard shot up. But the news we have out there doesn't seem to be anything that's going to have a decisive break anytime soon. So more of the same going forward.